Greetings students. So today we are going to deal with this question that is from class 9th maths, linear equation in two variables, from exercise 4.3, question number 1 and part 4. So what exactly this question is trying to say is that draw the graph of the following linear equation in two variables. The equation given to us is 3 equal to 2x plus y. So first of all, what we can do is that we let us rearrange this equation 3 equal to 2x plus y. And how can we do that? We can keep the value variable y on the left hand side and rest of the figures on the right hand side. So let us do that first. Y equal to 3 minus 2x. This is the equation which we get after rearranging. Okay, now we basically have to draw a graph of this equation which represents this equation in that graph paper. So what we can do that in this case, we can assume different values of x. Let us say x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1 and 2 and 3 and so on. So let us get the value of y for different values of x. So in the first case, if the value of x is 0, okay, then by putting the value of 0, x is equal to 0 in the above equation, we can get y is equal to 3 minus 2 into 0. So this gives us the value of y is equal to 3. Okay, so I can write the value of this here. So if x is equal to 0, then y is 3. Similarly, we can do this for different value points. And let me give this a different color to this case, and we can do similarly for x is equal to 1. We can place 1 here at the value of x. So 2 into 1 is 2, 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, when x is 1, then y is also 1. then इसके बाद हम क्या कर सकते हैं for a different case, इसको डार्क कलर में दे देता हूँ. Okay, x is when the value of x is 2, then what will be the value of y? 2 into 2, 4 with a minus sign, and we add 3 to it, so it gives us minus 1. So if the value of x is 2, then y is minus 1. So these three are the most important points which we have to plot in the graph. So to get a better visual of this answer, what we can do is we can input them in a table. So let me draw a table first. In the top boxes we show the value of x, and in the bottom boxes we can show the value of y. So here we can show different values of x, and here different values of y. Just a second. Here, different values of y. So 0, 1 and 2 were the different values that we have chosen to get the value of y. Keep one thing in mind, that if you want to plot a graph or if you want to plot an equation or a function on a graph paper, you need at least 2 points to to plot that equation. We have 3, so we are good enough to plot that, and we are in a better position to do so. So what was the value of y when x is equal to 0? It was 3, here it was 1, and at 2 it was minus 1. Okay, so these three are this table is very important for us. Okay, so what we will do now is that कि हम इसको एक ग्राफ पेपर पे प्लॉट करेंगे. सो आपको डिमॉन्स्ट्रेट करने के लिए आई हैव अ वर्चुअल ग्राफ पेपर, एंड यू आर गोइंग टू डू दिस इन अ physical graph paper which you must be having at your home. So let's move on to the graph paper. Okay. this is the graph paper with x-axis running from left to right and y-axis from top to bottom. The scale of this graph is 1 unit, and here is the origin 0. So what was our points? We have 0 and 3. Okay, and the next one is 1 and 1, and the last point which we have calculated was 2 minus 1. Okay, so you can see in the graph there are 3 points labeled in 3 different colors. So अगर आप इसको पहले देखोगे तो ये एक स्ट्रेट लाइन में है. ओके, स्ट्रेट लाइन में हमें दिख रही है, पर हम अभी कंफर्म नहीं है कि एक स्ट्रेट लाइन में है कि नहीं. इसके लिए व्हाट वी ऑल कैन डू इज हम इसे प्लॉट कर सकते हैं इस लाइन को. तो उसकी इक्वेशन आप सिंपली इसमें लिख दीजिए. तो इक्वेशन क्या थी हमारे पास? 2x प्लस y इक्वल टू 3, जो कि क्वेश्चन में थी. सो नाउ यू कैन सी दैट कि जो स्ट्रेट लाइन हमें मिली है, जो कि इसको रिप्रेजेंट करती है 2x प्लस वाई इक्वल टू 3 को, वो एग्जैक्टली इन तीनों पॉइंट्स को ओवरलैप कर रही है. इसका मतलब कि ये जो इक्वेशन है, अगर इस इक्वेशन में हम इन तीनों पॉइंट्स की वैल्यू को अगर एक बार मतलब बारी बारी रखेंगे तो ये इसको एग्जैक्टली सेटिस्फाई करेगी. जैसे अगर हम फॉर एग्जांपल 1,1 को लेते हैं, तो x की जगह पे 1 रखिए, y की जगह पे 1 रखिए, तो 2 इंटू 1 इज़ 2 प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू 3. सो 3 इज इक्वल टू 3 एग्जैक्टली सेटिस्फाई हो रहा है. सो आप इसको बेसिकली ऐसे प्लॉट कर सकते हैं. इस लाइन को आप कोई भी नाम दे सकते हैं, A, B, C, D, it doesn't matter. So this is our equation. We have 3 points here, and here is our beautiful graph. Okay, thank you for watching, and have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.